Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Yes, I am back. Yes, I'm back from my short break. Yes, so thank you guys for your time, your patience. I really miss you. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team. Yes, today I am sharing with you how I make my moist vanilla sponge cake. Very moist, soft and fluffy, and my lemon cake. Yes. So you know what? Let's get started. So I have here my basic ingredients, and of course I'm going to list everything in the description box so you check it out. So I have 6 cups of flour, 3 cups of margarine, 2 cups of sugar, some salt to taste, and my vanilla flavored powder. I have some eggs, a cup of milk, lemon zest, lemons, grated nutmeg, baking powder, and my vanilla extracts. So to begin with, I mix my dry ingredients and set it aside. So I add my baking powder, I add my salt, I add my vanilla flavored powder, now to begin with my cake batter. I transfer my butter or margarine and sugar into a bowl, and then I begin with the mixing. So I'm going to whisk this until it becomes whiter, soft and fluffy. So occasionally I need to scrape the sides and add it to the mixture so it can incorporate well into each other. So you can see over here the color has changed. It's now a bit whiter and it's also softer and fluffy. So at this point I drop my eggs, but one after the other. So at this point the cake batter can kettle a bit, but it's also part of the process. So you still keep mixing until the eggs and the milk incorporate into the batter very well. So because I'll be making two types of cake, after I'm done with my cake batter here, I'm going to dish part of it into another bowl, and then like I'm doing here. So over here I'm adding my flour for my sponge cake. So I'm going to use half of the flour for this cake, and then the remaining will be for my lemon cake. So you can see our cake batter is doing great. I'll still scrape the sides and add it to it so they incorporate well. I add my nutmeg. You can also add cinnamon, it's also great. Now our sponge cake batter is ready, so I'll just add my vanilla extract to it and then mix it thoroughly. So I grease my pan with some butter and sprinkle a little flour so it doesn't stick. And then I have also preheated my oven to about 270 degrees. So I'll just dish my cake batter into the tin and then straight to the oven. So I'll just top it with some raisins and cherry, and then I'll add a little color to this remaining one and then add it to this. So this is going to be baking for like about 30 minutes whilst I work on my lemon cake. So with the same batter, like I said, I just add my flour to it. I add my lemon juice to it, and then I also add my lemon zest to it, and then I mix them thoroughly. So my freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon zest for color and taste. So I grease my tin. And then transfer the mixture into it and straight to the oven whilst our sponge cake is ready. So to test, I'll just dip in a toothpick, and if it appears dry, it means our cake is ready. So this is the traditional way of testing, or you can also use eyeball to test. You just check your time and you think it's ready, looking at the color, then it means we are good to go. So just look at this. Ooh, trust me, the aroma is great. So this is a glaze for my lemon cake. So I have my granulated sugar, so I'll just add some lemon juice to it, mix, and then glaze my lemon cake with it. And trust me, the cake is, oh my goodness, I can't describe it. So I drip it and glaze it, and just look at that, full of goodness. Look at the way it's dripping, the same way it drips in your mouth, and it's so nice, and you can taste the lemon, and in fact it takes you to another level. I hope you understand. So please try this at home and send me a comment. In fact, your guests are gonna love this. I'm sure they've eaten lots of sponge cake. Let them try your lemon cake, okay? So just look at that, soft, smooth, and fluffy and moist. And yet the pepper. And then look at our two colored cake, also doing great here. Oh my goodness, soft, moist, and fluffy. Wouldn't you love to try this at home? I know you will. So please try this and send your girl a comment. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, and subscribe, okay, and share to your friends and family. I love you guys. I love you so much. And just look at this. I remember when we were kids, if we have cakes like this, we'll take the raisins and eat them first. So look at this, our two colored cake is doing great. So please try your hands on it and send me a comment. I love you guys. God bless you. So we meet in our next video. Bye bye.